Hello everybody. Today we're going to make the top of the bracelet buckle. So what I've already done is I've cut my string and I've made the strings that are going to be in the middle, the two in the middle, and then the two in the middle, and then the two on the outside. I've made them about 5 inches longer because you're going to need it for the beginning of the bracelet buckle and the end of it. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is locate your middle strands. I'm doing a 6-stranded friendship bracelet. So, yeah. And now what you need to do is you need to find the middle of them by placing the two ends together and pulling up and forming a loop at the top. Find the middle and then measure out about 3/4 of an inch. So that's right there. Get 2 pieces of tape and tape it down. And well, the first thing you need to do is when you put the tape on, locate the spot that you want to end it on each side. Like so. And then tape it down to your project board or whatever. That's a little too long. But you get what I'm saying. I hope. It's about 1.5 inches long. So what you can do... Okay. That's one way to do it. Now, get the 2 strands that aren't taped down in the middle, or the 2 outer and innermost strands. What you're going to want to do is get them and fold them in half, like so. Just fold them in half like you did the first strand it's taped down right now. Fold them in half and make a loop. Now place that loop, place the loop onto the middle of the strings, and do the same with your other strand, like so. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to do it the other way and thread these strings through the loop that's already on there, and then go under the strings in the middle. My handy dandy little scissors. And thread the blue strand for me through, and it makes a square knot that secures everything in place. Okay. Next, what you're going to want to do is put the strands that are at the top aside. And take the string, the blue string, make it go under the strands in the middle, and then over the strand that's on the left. Then make the strand on the left go over the strand in the middle, and then through the strand on the right, and it makes another square knot. That's 2 square knots. So a good number of square knots to make for each side is 10. So I'm going to thread 10 square knots on each side. 1, 2, and this is my third. And remember, the blue strand is always going to go under the middle strand, and the yellow strand is always going to go over the middle strand and under the blue strand. Thread that under. So this is the third one. Four, five, and so on. And you do 10 on this side. Next, what you're going to want to do is put these strings off to the side. The strings that you were just working with after you've done 10. YouTube only allows 10 minutes, so I'm going to skip a step. And you want to turn around your project board. And again, your blue strand is always going to go under, and your yellow strand is always going to go over. Okay? So, and then you do 10 on this side. And however many you do on one side, you have to do on the other, so it's equal. And it looks nice. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, so you do 10 on one side and 10 on the other. And then all you do You pick these up. Fold it over like so and start your bracelet. Okay, bye.